Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create your viral talking avatar video. We all have seen the TikTok videos that are faceless, using only avatars, AI avatars, and either it's telling a news segment or just talking about something going on viral. And these videos are getting millions of views and they're all generated using AI. So today using Kreado AI, we're going to be creating just that with some easy steps. So after joining Kreado AI using the link in the description box, you need to create your account. Click on login/register. Right here you have two options. I'm gonna go with using my Google account. Select your preferred Gmail account. Okay, here you can select either you are an individual or a business. This depends on your situation. You can just skip all these, or you can customize your profile on Kreado AI. For now, I'm just gonna skip it. Okay, so this is your dashboard. You can scroll a little bit. If you are so new to Kreado AI, they offer you user guide. Click on them, and you have simple videos that would give you step by step how to use some of the features of Kreado AI. And what we're going to use today is the video creation tool. You click on video creation, click on talking photo video. Here you select 9:16. Okay, here you have a number of avatars that you can select from, or you can upload your own avatar from here, or the third option is generating your own avatar from this tab. So right here you have a list of avatars that you can select from. You have from human looking like to animation looking like avatars. You have all type of avatars right here that would fit every concept or video theme. So yeah, after I'm gonna select this one. After you want a specific avatar, you click on it. You're gonna see it's being pasted into your video frame. Okay, so in the right side you have your prompt, so what you want this avatar to say. Alright, so after finishing your script, you can click on this tab, which you will choose your voice, the voice that you want your avatar to be talking with. You can have a number of voices, but make sure if they have this crown, this means they're not free to use. So basically you have 6 of them free. So I'm going to keep it with this one. Since we have a female avatar, click on apply. And yeah, so let's say this is your script and you're not sure about it. So you can click right here and it's going to be enhanced. This is the voice settings. You can set up the pitch and the speed right here. Just drag them as you want, or better keep them as they are. You can click on reset, and yeah, this is your free option. But if you want audio driven, you can upload a specific audio that you want the avatar to lip sync with, but this is not for free users. You can also directly record your voice talking. Yeah, so if you click on templates, you can have different templates based on the type of video that you want to make. For example, this is a better for news channels or news videos. This one as well. So this pretty much templates, background. You can choose from a number of backgrounds, or you can upload your own. This depends on your preference. You can add text as well, and also you can add layers of media. So yeah, if you want to have subtitles, unfortunately it's not for free. Alright, so once everything is set as your preference, you click on generate video. You click on start generation. After the video is generated, click on view now. Click confirm.
Welcome to my channel. Today's video will be about talking AI photos.
Alright, there you go. You can download the video from here, download the voice only, and the text as well. The SRT file is not available for this one. So the last thing I want to mention is their plans, because as you notice, the use of Kreado AI is so limited as a free user, and if you want to use it for long term, you get a lot of features if you go with a premium or a pro plan. And you see right here, you can even customize the number of K coins. Also make sure to click on earn K coins and collect your daily free K coins. Clicking on check in. Yeah, do this every day.